Long ago, there was a farmer living in Gumtha village who was very sad. He was always upset about the small problems in his life and would go around telling people about his sadness. One day, someone advised him to go to Gautam Buddha, as he might have a solution to his problems. The very next day, the farmer went straight to Mahatma Buddha. Upon reaching Gautam Buddha, the farmer greeted him and said, "I am a farmer and I make my living by farming. I have come here to find solutions to my problems. Sometimes our crops are good, and sometimes they fail completely. This causes me a lot of distress." After saying this, the farmer continued, "I have a wife who loves me very much, but sometimes she annoys me a lot. I feel so troubled by her that sometimes I think my life would be better without her." This way, he went on telling all his troubles to Mahatma Buddha, who listened quietly. The farmer also mentioned his child. "I have a child who is good, but sometimes he disobeys me and causes trouble. His behavior makes me feel like he isn't my child." The farmer continued sharing all his worries. After telling everything that troubled and saddened him, the farmer felt relieved. He waited expectantly for Mahatma Buddha to provide solutions to his problems. After waiting for a long time for Buddha's response, the impatient farmer finally asked loudly, "Aren't you going to say anything about my problems?" Buddha then replied, "I cannot help you in any way." The farmer was shocked by Buddha's response and couldn't believe his ears. He asked, "What are you saying? Can't you solve my problems? I heard that you solve everyone's problems, so why won't you solve mine?" Mahatma Buddha replied, "The difficulties in your life are present in everyone's life. Everyone's small problems seem big to them. There is no problem in your life that others don't face. Everyone has to face joys and sorrows in life. No matter how much we try, happiness and sadness will both come into our lives. Sometimes our own people seem like strangers, and sometimes strangers seem like our own. Everyone's life is filled with such problems, which have no solution. If one problem goes away, another one takes its place. So, even if you solve one problem today, you will face another problem tomorrow. This is the unchangeable truth of life." Hearing Buddha's words, the farmer became angry and said, "People call you a great soul. I heard that you solve everyone's problems, but instead of solving mine, you are telling me useless things. I came to you with great hope, but now I feel that coming here was a waste of time. Everything I heard about you was false." The farmer then started to leave. At that moment, Buddha said, "I cannot solve the problems you mentioned, but I can solve another problem of yours." Surprised, the farmer asked, "What other problem do I have that I don't know about?" Buddha said, "Your problem is that you don't want any problems in your life. This very thought is the cause of more problems. You need to accept that everyone has some kind of problem in their life. Stop thinking that you are the most miserable person in the world. Look around you, other people are also troubled and sad about different things. Happiness and sadness will come into your life, and no one can change that. You just need to control yourself in both situations, so the impact of sadness is not too much on you. Stop thinking that there should be no problems in your life. Only then will you be able to face every problem easily." Hearing Buddha's words, the farmer fell at his feet and apologized. He understood what Mahatma Buddha was trying to convey. Moral of the story: we should not complain about our small problems to others but should face them ourselves.
Buddham sharanam gacchami. Buddham sharanam gacchami. Sharanam gacchami. Buddham sharanam gacchami. Buddham sharanam gacchami. Buddham sharanam gacchami. Sangham sharanam gacchami.